Hey everyone, it's Jelly with Squid Industries, and today I'm going to be teaching you all how to do the backhand fan. The prerequisite tricks I recommend you learn before the backhand fan are the normal and reverse fans, as well as the ice pick opening and closing. Those will help you to learn this fan. So if you know those two, then let's get to the breakdown of the backhand fan. To do the backhand fan, you can start on either the safe or the bite handle. The safe handle is a little bit safer just because once you're coming out of the trick, out of that fan, and you're doing the ice pick opening part of it, it is not going to contact your pinky or other fingers here. So it's the spine of the blade that'll hit your pinky here instead of the actual edge if you're doing it on a live blade. So if you are doing it on a live blade, just keep in mind that you really have to make sure the blade passes your fingers and doesn't touch your fingers at all. It's okay if it actually grazes sideways, but just make sure it doesn't slam right into your fingers like that. So we're gonna start on the safe handle, and you just want to let the bite handle and blade drop and then turn your wrist over. So get your other fingers out of the way and twist your wrist over. It's a whipping motion. So now your arm and wrist should be in this orientation. It's really awkward, but you can do the fan just by tilting your wrist almost like you're cranking a motorcycle. Like that, you want to go up and also sideways a bit. What this does is, instead of just cranking straight like that and the bite handle slapping into your forearm, you're going to crank and then also turn your wrist so that it gets the bite handle and your forearm away from each other. So this position, and then you're going to do that. To get the actual fan going, you want to have your fingertips on the face of the safe handle here like that, and then you're gripping onto it and you're going to let the handle roll in your hand. So you'll feel it turn. You're going to be kind of doing this with your fingers while cranking your whole wrist like that. So once you put those together, it'll do that fan. To make sure it fans smoothly, you want to make sure that your grip is slightly loose after you do that initial flick. So like with the normal fans where your grip was loose while you were doing them, you want this fan to rotate smoothly by letting off of your grip while you let it rotate. So first step, and then with your fingers and your wrist. So that does that one rotation. You can even just practice that from this position instead of going straight into it. It's like this. Do one rotation, and then you can let the blade and bite handle drop. And if you already know the ice pick opening, you just swing it around into this open position. Okay, let's start this trick in some combos. The first one I'll make a little bit easier using the tricks from previous tutorials. So if you already have followed all the tutorials up until this point, then you should go ahead and learn that combo. It'll really help with your flipping. So let's get to those combos. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope that helped you with your backhand fans. And if you're ready to learn some new tricks, then make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified when we release more of these tutorials. If you haven't, check out the Squid Industries website so you can pick up a Balisong trainer and start flipping. And also check out our other social media platforms, links in the description. That's all from me, so I'll leave you with a quick flipping clip. See y'all next time. Whee!